When a weld symbol is placed on the reference line on the lower side of the line, the weld must be made on the arrow side of the joint. Figure 10-3A illustrates the applications of a welding symbol. The element centered on the reference line is the symbol for a fillet weld. In this case, the weld is to be made on the arrow side of the joint. The significance of the symbol is illustrated by figure 10-3B. Arrow side. That's what it looks like. Other side. Nothing there. If the element that is the symbol for a fillet weld is placed on the other side of the reference line, the welding symbol is made as shown in figure 10-4A, and its significance is shown in figure 10-4B. Arrow side, nothing. Other side, weld. That symbol is a fillet weld. Fillet weld. That's what it looks like.
Don't forget to hit that follow and smash that subscribe. Stay tuned.